Oh, sorry. Sorry. Oh! Is that funny? Making a mess. Try again. Dip it. Put it in your mouth. Nope, put it in your mouth. You already dipped it. Put it in your mouth. See? Dip it. Put it in your mouth. There you go. Dip it again. There you go. Put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth.
Let him do it now.
Want to dip it? You gotta hold the spoon right. Hold it like that. Dip it.
It's on his nose. It's on your nose. How's it going?
Sit up more. Dip here. Dip it. Put in your mouth. There you go.
Good boy.
Is all that necessary?
You're funny.
Okay, dip it. Dip it. Put it in your mouth. There you go. Good boy.
Yay. High five. High five. Yeah, good job.
One more? More? You got it, you got it. Oh, put it in your mouth. Good boy.
You gotta get him those plastic spoons so he can put that metal in his mouth.
Yeah, that's why I give him the rubber tip.
Yeah. Why not? Those, get those all plastic ones.
Yeah.
Don't choke yourself.
Okay, let Daddy feed you for a little bit. Oh. Here. I know you just cleaned yourself for me. Thank you. I appreciate that.